mangutana ba? Na ako'y ba? Oh, sa una pa na ako nga ba? Roxy, huwag kagahig bilat. Hoy! Nafe-feel ko. Ganon, parang, anyari, baka may bata. Pasiritan daw na yung lubot ko ng tubig. Sinong maano gusto niyang pasirit-sirit?
Good morning, Philippines!
How dare ya? Good morning! Nag-blur. Good morning, everything! So, good morning po tayo dyan. Update sa naramdaman ni Tami na likod. Nagluto lang ako, pinagluto ko siya ng omelette. So, ngayon, ang luto kong omelette, ginisa ko muna yung, tika muna ha, explain ko lang ano niluto ko. Kasi hindi ganito siya magluto ng omelette. Ginisa ko muna yung onion, and then, ilagay yung ham, cold cuts na ham, and turkey, yun. And lagyan ng paminta lang. I-brown lang natin siya. Ganito ako mag-omelette. Iluto muna sila. Yung nasa loob, lutuin muna para masarap. Yun. May nagbatil na ako ng itlog. And i-brown lang ito para masarap. Anyway, Tammy's back update. Thank goodness, okay na yung likod niya. Pero, hindi talaga totally siyang okay. Maramdaman niya mostly nighttime. Pag daytime, maging okay siya. Pag nighttime, iwan ko, lumala. And then, this morning pala, update, hindi siya makatulog dahil sa sakit. And, yun, pumunta siya sa basement, I think, mga 3 o'clock. Pumunta siya sa basement, guys. Nag-ano siya, nagliwaliw sa mga gamit niya doon. Kasi sabi pa niya, sabi ko, nasakit yung likod mo at saka bakit pumunta ka doon? Sabi pa niya, hindi daw siya komportable mahiga. Mas lalong sumakit. So, ngayon, yun, kaya maaga yan nagising. And ngayon is Sunday, kahapon hindi okay pakiramdam ko. And kaninang umaga, hindi din okay yung pakiramdam ko. So, ngayon, dinala-dala ko na lang. Yung sakit ng katawan ko is andito pa rin. So, yun, that's the update. So, how's your back right now, Lalav? A problem? Problem pa raw, guys. So, yun, problema pa rin yung ano niya. So, yaon. And then, egg next. This is how I make omelette to make it tasty everything, not just the egg. Hindi oil yung ginagamit ko, guys. Actually, yung ginagamit ko is butter all the time because Tammy, actually, we love butter. What is today's date? 11, right? Yeah, yesterday was, actually, this egg, guys, because of Tammy's inflammation sa back, he want me to put turmeric.
Chili powder. I have chili powder. So paprika, which is
Paprika, kasi,
chili powder.
yeah, we don't have chili powder. Chili powder, it should be the one. Huh?
Paprika has chili in it.
And of course, guys, not mine, favorite, Tammy's favorite, it's the cheese. You have to put it all over the place. And this. Aray! Whew, it's hot. I burned myself. So, thank God Tammy can walk and start eating. Because every time he eat, guys, problema talaga yung tiyan niya, guys. Low heat lang tayo, low heat. That's the omelette. And of course, Tammy have a boat paddle. Yeah, actually, we have 2 of this. I don't know where's the other one. The other one is kind of like... This is good for if you have boat. You can... Itong camera ko talaga, loko-loko. Kanina pa ako nagbablog, nahumatay na naman. Nag-usap kami ni Tammy, kapoy na mag-repeat-repeat. Sabi ko, itlog or manok, sino na una? Sabi pa niya, manok daw yung nauna. Kung naniwala ka sa Panginoon, alam mo na yung sagot. Manok muna bago itlog. So ngayon, I'm cooking fried rice. So, how's the egg? You like the egg? Omelette? No, it's tasty, right? It's cook it like that way. Cook the onion. Because if you just eat the onion like that, it's ew. It's
I like raw onion.
yeah.
You like to say ew. I like raw onion.
So, did I
It's
told...
always really good.
Tammy's reaction, what do you think of my uncle saying no about our blessings, our marriage, so
I get it.
you get it?
Yeah, video crap.
Why? What's wrong with the video? We can do it in video and he can pray for us and as a married couple, and then my uncle kasi gusto kasi niyang he wanted to be in person. Kasi wala talagang pastor, guys. In our first wedding, in our wedding, there's no priest, pastor to pray for us, nothing. No Bible prayer. So, yun lang naman yung gusto namin, guys. Hindi na in granding kasal na magastos pa. Pero kung magpakasal kami sa Pilipinas, pag andun kami, we want it, of course, to have like something like my parents, they can attend the wedding, simple, pakain, ganon. Hi guys, ready na po tayo. Si Tammy galing sa basement. Anyway guys.
Are you planning to? You know already in your head if you're planning to.
Stomach's painful.
So you are planning to.
I guess.
Okay. Before you go to Philippines or after?
Maybe before.
One of those and another creamer.
Why? Why you need another one of that?
Because that
You
one's,
cannot keep drinking that sweet
that one's
shit.
more than half.
Oh my god, I have to run to the bathroom. I think I have to take Imodium. Because I cannot do this. It's so... Hey guys, naglain dyan akong tiyan. Ay, nag-iba talaga yung takbo ng tiyan ko. Okay lang yan. Nag-raincoat ako guys kasi kanina iba yung sinuot ko. Nag-raincoat ako kasi uulan mamaya. So yan, first time kong guys. Look. Insert. You insert the First time ko to. Hindi ako mahilig mag-insert kasi feeling ko malaki talaga dito. So, feel ko okay naman pala talaga mag-insert, di ba? Kahit malaki-laki kunti yan. Kasi sumakit yung tiyan ko, sabi ko, para hindi mapasukan ng hangin. Yun, masakit pa rin. Oops, what the heck is that? Okay guys, kailangan ko na pala ng oil change. Yung sasakyan talaga palaging magsasabi pag may something kailangan siya. Yung sasakyan na ito, palaging sinasabi, oops, kailangan ko na ng bagong oil. Ay guys, tignan nyo guys, matagal din kaming hindi nagkita. Andito kami sa Asian store. Uy, meron akong ibigay sa iyo. Ano pala ito, 'di ba, na may nagbigay sa akin? Kunin mo nga 'yan. Yung ibabaw. Hindi 'yan. Sa iyo 'yan.
Ah, thank you.
Nilabhan ko man 'yan.
Ah, thank you. Bala ko pa lang naman sabi ko mag-order pa naman ako ng ganito kahapon. Buti lang hindi pala ako nag-order.
Hindi ko wala siyang parang sa nose area.
Oo, okay lang. Mas maganda ngayon kasi hindi masakit.
Ako guys, kasi raincoat kasi
Sabi
kala ko
ulan.
umulan. Okay guys, andito kami. Yung sasakyan ko ba kailangan ng hugas guys kasi madumi talaga.
Okay lang yan, wag na muna.
So guys, kuha muna tayo ng mga anek. Sana lang ko na lang to. Kasi alam mo na may utap sila guys. Hinanap mo?
Hindi ko yung alam.
Bakit? Ano nangyari sa alamang? Yung pinost mo.
Hindi na ulit ako.
Bakit titinapon mo?
Kinabahan ako kasi pagtingin ko sa bintana, lahat ng taong naglalakad, di ba
Panaginip mo lang yun.
kasi lahat ng nasa kasi meron mga tao sa park. Nakita ko nakamas silang lahat. Kumuli, hindi naman sila nagmamas dun Tapos nakatingin sila, parang gumagano'n sila. So, ibig sabihin, parang may inaamoy sila.
Naamoy nila yung luto mo.
Ito yung day. Sobra-sobra. Binalat ko siya sa dyaryo.
Kaluga ka. Binalat sa dyaryo. Hey, tika muna. Be. Meron silang quick ba?
Right?
Meron silang quick dito, guys.
Okay tayo.
I-ano ko lang itong ano, guys. Isira ko ulit, be. Parang sumakit, be. Parang nahanginan yung tiyan ko. Ito pala yung gusto kong bilhin din. Ay, tanungin ko pala siya, be, kung mag-ano ba siya ng package dito.
Okay.
Oo, wala man sila, oy.
Bakit magpapadala ka ng package?
Oo, meron ako, di ba, na tanggong sa bahay.
Ano?
Na ano sa bahay, andun pa yung gusto kong ipadala.
Kala ko na ipadala ka na.
Hindi pa, dahil na-busy nga ako. Ano tayo, punta tayo ng bahay. Bisa sa labas tayo, sa front tayo. Sa front porch ba? Hey, be, wag kang kukuha ng isda na buo.
Ay, hindi naman.
Nahirapan ako, be. Yung isda, yung bangus na buo. Saan ko naman yung ganyan? Nakabili na ako noon doon sa ibang Filipino store.
Eh, kasi walang tender juicy.
Walang tender juicy. Yung tender juicy yung ano. Hello, ha?
Fishball? Pag quick.
Tanawon lang. Mato.
Ako dito lang dito.
Bay, na ako pangutana ba? Na ako'y ba?
Oh,
Sa una pa na ako nga ba?
okay ra.
Pwede na dire ipadala?
Regular ra ba? Regular ba?
Hi!
Ay, madumi ako. Nagagawa ko ng butter na
Nag-barbecue
quick.
sila. Mugawas may pag humanda.
Oh, anong size? Kasi kani regular, kani jumbo.
Pero meron naman ako.
Okay lang. Basta, i-ano yun sa size. Regular ba?
Size? Parang regular.
Ah, nagdadala sila ng ano?
Oh, Global Cargo?
Oh, parang
Anong-
i-text ko nga sa iyo.
Oo.
Matagal na kasi yun.
Tingnan mo ang likod kung naasa. Kasi naman na siya sizes.
Pila man imong ko ang dili padala.
Size?
Okay.
May
Tingin tayo dito, be. Ano, merong
We have a
barbecue.
pork barbecue. We have the quick
It's a whole
and the
boiling
fishball.
with the shell
And the halo-halo is very good. Promise.
boiled.
And tocino, silog.
Tosilog?
Yes!
Tosilog.
Yes,
How
tocino.
is the egg?
It's already cooked.
Oh,
Kumain na ba kayo? Dalawa. Kumain na kayo ng tocino. Tosilog. Tapos kayo mag... Meron na lang isang paper bag.
Parang Pilipinas lang, guys. Look.
Pwede ito, be?
Kwak-kwak yan, be. Huwag kang sakit.
Fishball. Tanding, quick niluluto ko pa. Fishball yan.
Ito lang po. Kasi
Fishball, lobster, mix yan.
Hala, ulan na. Hello, guys. So, naka-order kami ng yan, kainin natin sa bahay. Buti na lang mayroon akong rice. Oy. Pwede naman kami mag-share, be, kasi konti lang kainin ko, be, kasi alam mo. Guys, tawag nun, be, Home Depot.
Mamaya.
Mamaya lang tayo. Okay lang, baka si Mark, ay maano na.
Wala mo siya. Tulog pa yan.
It's 1:34 na ng and then kakain-kain pa tayo. Hindi sa inyo?
Sakahan. Hindi naman sakahan. Yung sa coconut, sa farm. Di ba? Minsan wala sila mama. So, kami naman, hindi namin alam. So, minsan, yung isang beses talaga, yung ilalagay dun sa tas, basta yung tawag dun.
Yung sa sige,
Sa bao.
Di ba yung mga di ba yung skin ng coconut?
Oo.
Di ba malakas siya ng apoy?
Oo.
Yun yung gamitin mo. Di ba? Nag-usap kami guys tungkol sa yung manghingi ng apoy.
O, tapos pag uuwi ka dun sa, di ba sa bukid, pag uuwi ka, tapos kung wala kang tawag ng wala kang lights, yung ng coconut din.
Oo, yung
Sisindihan mo.
sindihan, parang yung mo, parang yun yung suga mo, yung
Oo.
apoy. At saka also yung may tawag kami yung papa, mahilig ko sa muron. Yung muron ba, yung botelya ng tanduay or lagyan ng gas and then
Oo.
di ba ang lakas ng apoy? Yun.
Tawag dun sa amin,
Muron yan sa amin.
kalimutan ko tawag sa amin yun eh. Tapos, pag igaganon-ganon mo lang ng polis,
Oo, para
gaganon.
Oo. Di ba? Ludy, tell her to down. Tell her to get down. Ay, ginoo ko. Roxy, huwag kagahig bilat. Hoy! Kami, Lloyd. Tingnan niyo. Roxy, behave.
Worried about it.
and the first thing I go, oh, that's COVID.
I don't believe it.
I don't believe it either. So.
I don't believe it.
Seriously.
Honestly,
Yeah, it's just a flu.
I don't know.
Okay, Lloyd, rice. We're gonna eat in the
Yeah, that's fine.
up the front porch. Okay guys, we're just gonna munch and talk.
You didn't get money. How much money you want?
10, 15. 10.
I'm guessing that's supposed to be 15.
It's 10. Be. So, what else do you need? Water?
Hindi, okay lang muna ako.
Oh, sure?
Kakamay ako.
Magkakamay din ako. So, kain tayo. I-try natin tong barbecue nila, guys.
Chicken?
Ha? Pork, di ba? It looks pork to me. Let me be. Sige na, be. Kain ka na, be. Roxy, aduh, get down. Get down. Oh my God!
Magmukbang kami.
Hindi man sana, ano ito, ang... Ba't hindi?
Masarap dito.
Roxy.
Pag naano siya tawag na.
Well, Mark's not coming over. That's disappointing. I haven't seen him in forever either.
He's tired, honey.
I know.
He's doing a overtime thing.
Yeah, he's working overtime also.
Especially when you look at my house, you're going to boost it. Well, so this way a down payment doesn't destroy you.
True. The closing, the everything.
It's salty, babe.
It's Filipino food. Of course it's salty.
The seafood, hon.
The seaweed.
The seaweed is salty.
Great.
I don't understand why. Hugasan ko to pa more, ha?
Maalat. Nadala niyo na lahat ng gamit dito? From the other house?
Yung gamit, oo. Pero yung... Meron pa rin yung mga junk. Hindi namin gusto pang dalhin. Hab! You cannot have what I have! My goodness! Hi guys, nakabalik na tayo. Nahatid na natin si Luigi. Hindi na lang ako pumunta ng Home Depot. Kasi yung tiyan ko hanggang ngayon, iwan ko kung bakit itong tiyan ko talaga. Sakit. Sobrang sakit talaga. Iwan ko kung anong nangyari sa akin. Masakit talaga. So, hindi ako kakain ng dinner kasi masama talaga yung tiyan ko. Anyway, hinatid ko si Lloyd. Sabi ko, hindi na tayo magpunta ng kasi baka hindi kayanin. So, bumili ako ng bukas ko na at ito lutuin. String beans. Kasi lutuin ko to with munggo. Masarap yan munggo, guys. Gata ba? And then with sardines. Ang sarap talaga ng sardines na ito. Sarangani Bay Premium. Ito siya. Ngayon, mag-iisip muna ako kung ano yung ipakain ko kay Mister. 3 talaga. Oh. Sabi ko 2. 3 yung dinipos. Sabi ko 2 lang. Hello, it's 4 o'clock already. Magluto tayo, guys. Yung tiyan ko ba dito, oh? Dito yung tiyan, oh. Masakit. Pero mas masakit yung dito, oh, na area talaga. Nafe-feel ko talaga. Parang gano'n. I don't know kung anong meron na dito. I don't know if this is appendix or something. Hindi ko talaga alam. Anyway, gagawan ko lang si Tami ng salad, guys. Kasi gusto ng salad. Ano ko na tong tilapia. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya kanina, mag-defrost siya ng tilapia. So, pagdating ko dito, nag-defrost na siya. So, which is good. Para naggawa na din ako ng salad. So, may salad na siya. I think, ang dami. I think meron akong gas. Kaya yung tiyan ko is sobrang parang ko talaga, naririnig ko talaga na may gas ako kasi. Sakit. And it's really painful, honey.
Did you take some?
I did.
Did
I
you?
have.
Okay, so why don't you lie down? They're not magic pills either. They don't work to make paper.
Don't talk to me like magic because you're the only one think about magic. Iwan ko anong nangyari sa akin, eh. Sabi ko kay Lord, huwag kang mag-alala kasi hindi naman ito COVID. Sabi ko sa kanya. Kasi hindi naman talaga to COVID. Also guys, meron akong naobserbahan every time na wear ako ng panty liner. So yung panty liner is pag aalis ako, pag aalis ako mag panty liner ako. Pero hindi yung talagang every time alis. Yung ano lang, parang matagalan ako sa labas, ganun. So meron akong ako ganyan. And hindi ako ganyan noon, pero gusto ko na ngayon. Kasi paminsan, guys, matanda na tayo. Guys, pag nakatawa tayo, makaihi. Sakit talaga dito, guys. Oh. So, kaya yon. Pag matagal lang ako sa labas, pag kasama kami ni Tami, hindi ako pag iba yung kasama ko. Or yung magpunta kami sa isang bahay, di ba? Half day yun. So, ganon. And yun yung naobserbahan ko is talagang sasakit talaga yung ko dito, puson. Dahil doon. And yun yung naobserbahan ko kasi every time na lang. And yun. Pero ngayon, iba talaga to kasi hindi ako nagsuot kasi alam kong madali lang kami ni Lloydie sa labas. Pero ito talaga kanina pa tong umaga. Kung hindi man appendix, guys. Akala ko appendix kasi dito. Pero talagang nafe-feel ko ganon, parang anyari. Baka may bata. Baka may bata sa tiyan ko. Nagtakbo-takbo, kaluka. So, yun na yung guys, binibake ko at saka binubruel ko na tilapia ni Tami. So, looks good. Sana ako kakain, guys, kasi yung tiyan ko. And I guess Hubs will eat. And Tami said, what did you said? Eat the salad, honey. I seasoned it for you. Look. Salad. Salad, aloy. Yeah, I guess kakain ako. Kasi Tami said salad is good for digestion. Love, you have your fish. Please eat your fish. I make it for you.
And it's up to you if you feel bad.
No. That is spoiled. Oh my God, you know what, guys? We love him so much. He's the only boy that we have that really a boy. Kaun tagsagbot, guys. Damo. Damo. Grass. This is grass. We're not a Carabao. American love this. Every time I move, every time I sit, it hurts.
Alright, good girl. You did it.
That's stable.
No stuff on that table.
Okay. So,
This is garbage bag for.
yeah, i-end ko na sana itong vlog pero I wanna check on him. He's been here for 2 days and gusto kong malaman kung ano yung accomplishment niya dito.
These cases here are all emptied out.
Which
All these
cases?
bags here?
Oh, they're all empty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Except for this has something in it.
That's
Can't
good.
remember what, but.
Okay.
Well, the little cases, the big suitcases that were here, I don't know.
How about
I think they're empty.
How about all the bins that you
Maybe.
got?
Well, I'm gonna need more bins, but
Well, the one in the bag, you don't have to undo it.
yeah, I want everything in bins.
Mm.
Make it
And you
look
have to throw that out, honey.
What?
Seriously, that walkie-talkie thing.
No, I'm not.
Guys, Tommy collect all walkie-talkies and shit. Look, walkie-talkie.
There should be dozens more somewhere. I don't know where yet.
Hey, I want you to be careful with your cigarette here, with the lights. Not close into the tank.
That's an oil tank, hon. I'd have to use a blowtorch and still wouldn't be able to set that thing up.
No, don't even see that. And also,
Yeah.
when that's easy to burn.
It's insulation.
It's insulation, is it? But be careful, okay, please?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Han!
Yeah.
You really are something. You know what? Just burn your house.
Because you just like it nuts.
Burn your house and you don't get anything anyway in this thing because you burnt it. And I want that fireworks gone, okay? It's been
Now
years.
that, if you told me don't smoke by that, I understand that.
Yeah, I want that fireworks gone here. I don't want that to throw it out.
I'm not throwing fireworks.
Yes, I will throw it out. Where are you gonna put it? You know how many houses burnt, honey, because of fireworks?
What did you like?
So I see that you throw a lot of boxes. Don't throw this kind of box. It's stronger. This
So
one,
put that on the side.
this one is garbage,
Right.
but this one is nicer. And don't touch anything in there. I don't want missing in there. I want you to put that in the bin.
I'm not touching anything.
The- over here.
this briefcase here had jewelry in it, so I put it over here with that.
That's the one that Isabel did. It's all the whole thing.
No, the laptop bag.
Why there is a jewelry box? Okay guys, we're gonna end the vlog guys because hindi pa rin talaga okay guys. I don't know kung anong nangyari sa akin. Tommy want me to squirt my butt with fucking water.
You know?
Sa'yo nagana, pasiritan daw na yung lubot ko ng tubig. Sinong maano gusto niyang pasirit-sirit? Okay na, bye-bye sirit. Bye-bye before we
Yeah,
have some-
guys.
Good night guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much guys for watching. Pasensya na, masama yun talagang pakiramdam ko and sobrang ano.
TV set.
What is that? What is that?
TV set.
It's a TV set?
Yeah.
What kind of TV is that?
Portable.
This is a radio. It's not a TV.
It's a TV. You just carry it around with TV set. You got the antenna.
Yeah.
And you get your channels.
Oh really? It's not working?
Yeah, I imagine it works. Probably need batteries.
This is a small TV. It's like
Yes.
walkable TV. Walkable. It's a walk. Oh, nakalimutan ko guys. I-ano pala. Hold on. Ang sasakyan ko andun sa labas kasi pinaulanan ko, pinaliguan ko sa ulan. Sabi ko hindi ko ilagay sa garage. Thank you guys. Salamat guys sa time ninyong lahat. Sabi ko kay Tommy, I'm not gonna squirt my butt with the water to let the shit out. Pasensya na. Anyway, bye.